Hey guys, new project. I'm in my new home away from home. It's a 2017 Freightliner Cascadia, and this is new to me. I had it about a week. My previous truck was a 2012 Cascadia, and every once in a while, my wife would ride along with me. And the previous truck had armrests on the passenger seat. This one does not. So, as we all know, if the wife is not happy, there ain't nobody happy. I got permission. I stole a couple armrests off another truck that we have, so I will be installing them on the seat. The brackets are already installed on the new seats. They're just covered up with fabric. Once you get the fabric, a hole cut in the fabric, you just slide these in, and there's a single bolt that goes through, and which I'll show you on the driver's side of what it does have. On the driver's side seat, let me move this cushion over. You can see there's a Torx bolt. That is a T40. You just remove that bolt, then the armrest just slides right out of your bracket, which I can feel the bracket right here. So I just got to slit a hole and get the new armrest slid in place and just get that bolt installed. I think this is probably going to be one of my shorter videos. So let me get that slit cut and we'll see what we got. Go ahead and burn the edges a little bit so they don't fray. Okay. Now I got the hole lined up. Just a matter of getting that bolt in and tightening it down. Perfect. Now just go ahead and get this other side done. All right, both sides are complete. That was one of the easiest things I had to do. Awesome. The wife will be happy, which will make me happy. Yeah. All right, guys. I guess that's it for this one. One of the simplest videos I'm going to have to make. So, if you enjoyed anything you see here, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.
Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you next time. Bye, Tracy.